Imagine this. Millions of Pi coins mined with patience and determination over 6 long years, now sitting on the blockchain waiting for the big moment, open Mainnet. And guess who holds the largest stash? The OKX exchange. Yeah, you heard that right. As of today, a whopping 29 million Pi coins have been deposited onto OKX, making it the leading wallet on the Pi network blockchain. That's about 1.8% of the total circulating supply. But before you start picturing a wild sell-off, think again. Most pioneers are holding on to their coins like precious gold, not rushing to cash out just yet. Big news for all Pi network pioneers. If you've been waiting for updates on Pi Network's open Mainnet, today's video is packed with major insights that you don't want to miss. We're diving into the latest developments, including how OKX has become the largest Pi coin holder, mysterious massive transactions hitting the blockchain, and what all this means for the future of Pi. Will Pi coin's price skyrocket at launch? Could scammers be lurking in the shadows? And what's next for Pi's real-world utility? Before we jump in, I have a question for you. Do you think Pi coin will hit a high value when Open Mainnet goes live? Drop your answer in the comments below. And if you haven't caught up on the latest Pi network developments, check out my previous videos. The link is in the description. Also, let's see where our Pi pioneers are tuning in from. Drop Pi network to the moon, and your country's name in the comments. Don't forget to smash that like button, share this video with fellow pioneers, and subscribe to support the channel. Your support keeps us going and helps bring you the latest Pi network updates. Disclaimer: this video is for entertainment purposes only and is not financial or investment advice of any kind. Always do your own research before making any financial decisions. Now, let's get started. But here's where it gets really interesting. Among these deposits, a monstrous transaction of 374,000 Pi coins recently hit OKX. And that's not all. There have been multiple other transactions exceeding 300,000 Pi coins each. Now, let's be real. No ordinary pioneer has that kind of stash, so who does? That's the million-dollar question. Could these be wallets owned by OKX itself, or are they linked to Pi coin scammers who've been hoarding stolen coins, waiting for the perfect moment to dump them? The truth is, no one knows for sure. But one thing's clear. Where there's crypto, there are always opportunists looking to make a quick buck. Now here's a reality check. While we, the true pioneers, treasure our hard-earned Pi coins, scammers are out there trying to offload their stolen stash as fast as possible. And once those Pi coins are gone, there's no way to get them back. That's the brutal truth about blockchain. It's permanent, irreversible, and completely unforgiving. If you fall for a scam, it's game over. This is why staying informed isn't just important, it's necessary. Scammers evolve, their tactics shift, and if you're not paying attention, you could become their next target. The best way to protect your Pi coins? Knowledge. Stay sharp, stay updated, and never trust anything that sounds too good to be true. Speaking of trust, let's talk about OKX for a second. Unlike shady exchanges, OKX actually has the approval of the Pi core team. That's why they were able to list Pi coin in the first place. But here's the catch. If you're in certain countries, you can't deposit Pi onto OKX just yet. Annoying? Maybe. But there's a good reason for this. Pi Network is rolling out its KYB Know Your Business process, making sure that exchanges follow the rules before letting them in on the action. So, if you're getting impatient, just breathe. More exchanges will join the party soon, and new upgrades to the Pi ecosystem will open up more ways to use your Pi coins beyond just trading them on exchanges. Remember, exchanges are just one piece of the puzzle. There's a whole economy being built around Pi. And speaking of real utility, let's talk about the Fireside Forum. Ever tried posting on it? The demand is insane. People are willing to buy Pi just to be part of this growing ecosystem. This means one thing. If the price of Pi on OKX drops, there will always be buyers ready to scoop it up for actual use. That's the beauty of a real-world crypto economy. If you're lucky enough to be in a country where OKX is fully operational, you might want to create an account just to test Pi's liquidity. Transactions between Pi wallet and OKX, lightning fast, less than 10 seconds. That's the power of the Pi network. Now let's talk fees. Withdrawing from OKX to your personal Pi wallet? That'll cost you a flat fee of 0.5 Pi no matter how much you move. It might seem like a small detail, but understanding these little things can make a big difference when you start trading. The reason OKX can process transactions so quickly is that their business wallet system allows them to create multiple sub-wallets to handle transactions efficiently. But here's something you might not know. Getting a business wallet on the Pi network isn't easy. Companies need to provide legal documents, operating permits, and even the identity of their legal representative. They also get screened for criminal activity and money laundering risks. This strict process ensures that only legitimate businesses can operate within the Pi ecosystem, keeping things safe and compliant. When you step back and look at the bigger picture, it's pretty clear. Pi network is playing in the big leagues. With just 29 million Pi coins currently available for trading on OKX, there's simply not enough to meet the potential demand. And if this number doesn't skyrocket before open Mainnet, guess what? The price of Pi isn't going to be cheap. Any low-priced Pi coins will be snapped up in seconds by investors who know exactly what they're doing. As Pi network continues to grow, the potential for early investors to secure a substantial amount of coins at a low price before the Mainnet launch is a significant draw. When the open Mainnet finally arrives, it could trigger a surge in demand as more users gain access to the network. With this influx of activity, early holders could see their investments rise as the market adjusts to the new level of accessibility. The excitement surrounding PiCoin's mainnet launch has been building for quite some time, and the buzz is only increasing. While there's uncertainty about the exact timing of the launch, many investors are preparing to act quickly when the price is right. This heightened interest could push the value of PiCoin up, especially if it gains momentum in the wider cryptocurrency market. If Pi Network can deliver on its promises, it could open doors for PiCoin to be seen as a more legitimate and valuable asset in the crypto space. Investors familiar with the market know that timing is key, and many are closely monitoring PiCoin's price in anticipation of a big move once the open mainnet is up and running. Those who manage to purchase coins at a low price before the mainnet's launch will likely be in a favorable position. The influx of new users and traders, combined with the inherent scarcity of coins, could lead to a price surge as demand ramps up. However, it's also worth considering that cryptocurrency markets can be volatile, and PiCoin's value may face fluctuations even after the open mainnet launch. Investors should remain cautious and avoid making hasty decisions based on short-term price movements. As always, research and careful analysis of market trends are essential for anyone looking to profit from the rise of PiCoin or any cryptocurrency. So, what do you think? Will PiCoin's price soar when the open mainnet finally arrives? Or will it face setbacks? Drop your thoughts in the comments below. Your insights could spark some interesting discussions on the future of PiCoin in the ever-evolving world of cryptocurrency. And if you have any questions or contributions, feel free to share them as well. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to stay updated with all the latest Pi Network news. Your support means the world to us and helps keep these updates coming. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.